Hey everyone, welcome to another gaming video. This is Luke, probably your favorite, but let's get right in. This is gonna be another Sniper Elite video tour of the Trent shotgun. We're gonna be showing you that thing now. In one of the previous videos, I literally demolished a sniper with it, and now because I demolished that sniper, I now have the gun. So, yeah, in the other video, it blows them like 3 to 5 feet backward from where they were standing. I don't know if you watched that video and heard me say that, but it's true fact. I hope y'all like this video, and I hope it will be entertaining for you, because this is for your entertainment to see people get blown by a shotgun in Sniper Elite. So, yeah, let's get right into it. You see, I've got the Trent shotgun right here, and this is my custom Delta. We're just gonna go right in and start this mission. All right, let's go. Hope you like this map better, because the other map was very it was dark outside and you couldn't see that good. Oh my gosh, nobody cares. Oh my gosh, nobody cares about that either. Okay, so yeah, let's get right in. There's usually a tutorial in the first level, and I try skipping it, but you can't. But I love this part though. Stab him. Right in the heart, too. He's pathetic. Alright, let's mark him. And this little thing can be smart. And get the gun out. Well, I mean, without doing that in the tutorial. And smart person thing to do. Alright, I'm just gonna skip this. Hey, look, I want to show you something. Well, I know a game I like, which I'll be showing you a video of me doing that, called Temple Run. Look at this. This is Temple Run. Oh no! Oh no! No! Ah! Okay. Skipping tutorial. Alright, tutorial's basically over, people. Let's go. Oh, I did not mean to do that. That was an accident. Oh no, I don't care. Nobody does. Watch this. Sometimes you gotta be smart about things. Sometimes you just gotta be smart and destroy the tank of gasoline and explode everybody. All those German soldiers. Airplane. I destroyed it. Pathetic thing. Didn't that kill anybody there? Oh, I gotcha now. Oh, sure, I'm ready to deliver. Is it easier for y'all to see? No, it could probably be like too bright and whatnot. I just shot a bird. But yeah, well, this wasn't a tutorial of a sniper just sniping people. This is a tutorial of the shotgun. So let's blow people 5 feet backwards with this thing. I have to snipe for just this one thing. One little moment. I remember searching. Whoever's looking for me, I'm about to pop them right away. I'm gonna blow you away. Watch this, people. This is gonna be awesome. This is legendary. You'll never forget. I have to. Alright, let's do this. Let's. Oh, he is dead. Didn't do anything. You have to be like right up, right behind their butt. Let's go down there at the beach. See? 5 feet backward. What did I tell you? It's so funny just to watch them. Oh, look at all that damage. But look at this shotgun, boys. Oh, no. Is that how much brain cells? Look at this. Yeah, that's the trench shotgun. I swear, if you play this game and you get it, you would love this dang thing. This thing is awesome. Let's go in a cave. See if there's anybody demolished in there. No. They're usually in the deepest, darkest places. But nobody was in there. I just came across a dead end, but there's another cave right there. Airplanes. Well, yeah. You have to be really up close to kill people with this gun, but I almost have to go for dinner. I can smell it, and it's teasing me, but I want you guys to know what this gun is like, and it's probably going to be very entertaining for you, but things are always getting in the way. But don't worry, you can always upload more videos, and this video is going to be pretty short anyways. What? Look at him. Boom! You're dead. Oh, I shot his grenade. Grenade shot. I love those. I get those a lot. Let's see. Where is everybody? This place is deserted. Okay, I'm gonna go there, since there's anything there. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked seeing those people get blown away by the shotgun. And more videos coming right up. Well, let us know in the comments obviously what videos you want us to play, other things you'd like us to do, and well, yeah, we'll see you again next video. So, bye everybody. I hope you liked the shotgun. Let me know if you play that game. And yeah, you just have to, if you want the shotgun, which is awesome, you're just gonna have to pick one of the shotguns up and demolish a sniper using it. Well, look, I'm using my magic powers. I'm gonna clap once, and And my clapping, the sound of my clapping will make the video end.